India has deployed its Global 5000 special mission aircraft for signals intelligence near Bangladesh. A Spanish Eurofighter Typhoon pilot conducted a sortie on the Tejas aircraft as part of the ongoing exercise Mitra Shakti 2024. The passing out parade of the fourth batch of 1,389 Agniveers of the Indian Navy was held at INS Chilka. It appears that the deal for 26 Rafale marine fighter jets for the Indian Navy is nearing conclusion, and the contract will be signed by the end of 2024. Indian Navy will finalize its plans for building 6 Project-75A nuclear attack submarines worth $12 billion by the end of this year. Indian Navy corvette INS Kora has completed 26 glorious years of service to the nation. Indian Army will participate in the 10th edition of Mitra Shakti 2024 with the Sri Lankan Army from tomorrow. India's defence export has increased by 78% in the first quarter of this financial year, as compared to same period last fiscal year. External Affairs Minister inaugurated and handed over an India-funded massive water and sanitation project to the Maldives worth $110 million. Brazilian firm Embraer is positioning India as a potential base for its C-390M's maintenance, repair and overhaul facility in the Asia-Pacific region. With the Turkish S-400 system currently lying idle, a former Turkish minister has proposed an intriguing solution to sell the S-400 system to either Pakistan or India that could potentially pave the way for Turkey's re-entry into the F-35 program. Experts have said that Pakistan appears to be the more likely buyer, as it has a strong defense relationship with Turkey, and it is in search of acquiring advanced air defense systems, but Russia will definitely object to the sale of the system to Pakistan, as Pakistan will allow access to the US to study the S-400 system. The DRDO-developed long-range surface-to-air missile is all set to be tested by end of this year, which is envisioned as a homegrown equivalent to the Russian S-400. The first 150 km range interceptor of LRSAM has already entered the fabrication stage. That will be tested in December, while the second and third interceptors with ranges of 250 and 350 km are in advanced stages of development. INS Arighat nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarine has completed rigorous trials after incorporating crucial upgrades based on the Indian Navy's feedback, and it is set for formal commissioning by October. Reports also indicate that the 40,000 crore rupees project to build 2 nuclear-powered attack submarines is also headed for final approval by Cabinet Committee on Security, while the next 4 SSNs will be approved at a later stage. The Brazilian Ministry of Defense has expressed keen interest in establishing a barter system with India for the procurement of defense equipment. Brazil has proposed India acquiring a substantial quantity of ATC 390 transport aircraft from Embraer, and in exchange, Brazil would procure the Akash-NG spare parts for its Scorpion-class submarines, and potentially the BrahMos cruise missile. Adani Defense has delivered the first batch of 4 km range UAV-launched precision-guided missiles to the Indian military, and full delivery of 250 missiles will be completed by end of this year, along with 70 units of UAVs that are to be used as launcher. The DRDO is developing V2 and V3 variants of UAV-launched precision-guided missiles, and these upgraded versions will have an extended range and enhanced capabilities. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.